Hey, what is up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the Dell KM3322W wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This is one of the most affordable wireless keyboard and mouse combos you can get from a good brand like Dell at the moment. So first let's unbox this and see what we get. So this is how the box looks like. You get the Dell branding, the model and some information about the product on this box. So inside, first we have the mouse. So this mouse has a left click, a right click of course, and a clickable scroll wheel. And on the back we have an LED, so that means this is a optical mouse, and we have a power on off switch for the mouse here as well. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Okay, this is a very basic keyboard layout with some additional volume control buttons. On the back of the keyboard you get 5 rubber bumpers, so it will help you to keep the keyboard in one place when you're typing, and you do not get a on-off switch with this keyboard. This is the USB connector which you can plug into your device. There's one AA battery and 2 AAA batteries that comes with the product, and also you get some books and stuff inside this box. In order to set this up, you need to insert the batteries into both of your keyboard and mouse, and then you need to plug this USB adapter into your device and then turn on the mouse, and then you're good to go. Alright, so this is how it looks like after I set this up. Looks like a very basic wireless keyboard and mouse. So according to Dell, the mouse movement is 1000 dpi. What that means is when you move your mouse 1 inch to a certain direction, the mouse cursor should move 1000 dots, if not 1000 pixels, towards the same direction in the screen. When it comes to this keyboard layout has functional keys, volume keys, a low battery indicator LED, and a number pad. You can also find some music control buttons and a search bar on this keyboard, which you can use while pressing the F10 button on this keyboard over here. Also, you can lift the keyboard a bit with these stands right here if you're planning on using it that way, guys. Okay, it's been a few days since I unboxed this keyboard and mouse, and I've been using it for a while as well. So I want to give you some of my honest thoughts about this keyboard and mouse. First, let's talk about how it overall feels. Both this keyboard and mouse feel very easy to use. The buttons on this keyboard have a very soft press to it, and they do not wiggle all that much, so it means it will not make a lot of noise while typing, so that's a good thing. Do you know how regular laptop buttons feel? Well, this is not that, but much more comfortable and easy to type with, but have a slight more key travel. The mouse clicks, however, is a bit noisy, and you have to put a little extra pressure to it than I expected, especially compared to how soft the buttons on the keyboard feel, but overall it's very easy to use, and I didn't face any kind of problems with the cursor movement. One thing to note is that the only LED in this keyboard is for a low power indicator LED, so you will not be getting LEDs for caps lock, num lock with this keyboard, and sometimes it could be a bit annoying if you use the num lock and the caps lock quite a lot. I did do a lot of typing and browsing during the past few days, and I did not notice any kind of input lag with this keyboard and the mouse. So when it comes to the price, I paid 7,300 Sri Lankan rupees, which roughly translates into about $25 US, which is a very reasonable price considering what you get from a brand like Dell. And I'll drop some links in the description below if you want to get one for yourself. So overall, I would say this is a good wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Nothing fancy, but it will help you to get the job done, and it's all good for the price you pay. Let me know down below what you guys think about this keyboard and mouse, and hope you guys enjoy the video as well. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button, guys. It really does help the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.